So, no, don't say anything. Just look from there, come across.
Too many things at once. Okay. Hi, I'm Tracey Maladay for Easy Wood Tools. Welcome to my little urban workshop. Mini hollowing is a wonderful segue into larger form hollowing, but it can be fun. I'm going to use the Easy Wood Tools mini hollowing set to make a litter container similar to this one. On the lathe I have a little piece of walnut. I've turned a tenon at both ends and I've put one end in the Easy Wood chuck, which I'm still in love with. Absolutely adore this chuck. And what I'm going to do is part off roughly 2/3, 1/3. The bottom 2/3 will be the base, the lidded base, and the top third will be the lid itself. First thing we have to do is part. The Easy Wood Tools mini hollowing set comes with 3 hollowers. The first one, hollowing tool number 1, is basically a straight line. The second tool has a 45-degree bend in it, and the third tool has a 90-degree bend. Now that's going to get right in around a corner when you're hollowing, and you'll see as I hollow this little walnut bowl out, you'll see how far each tool can go. You'll notice with the Easy Wood Tools mini hollowing set that they all come with negative rate carbide cutters on them. That means that you won't get a catch, basically. You will need to go slowly when you're using the negative rate cut, but that will provide you with a much finer finish. What I like to do is replace the negative rate cutter on the mini hollowing tool number 1 with a standard carbide cutter. This allows me to hollow out quickly, get rid of a lot of material quite quickly, and then go back to the negative rate cutter for the final few passes. Before I start the hollowing process, I'm going to shape the outside using the regular Easy Wood tool set. I shaped the outside of the little box, and I've deliberately left quite a sharp angle on the top so that I'll be able to illustrate how well the little 90-degree hollowing tool wraps around that corner. So using the hollowing tool number 1, I've gone straight in and I've turned the tool as far as I could that way to get as much of the material out as possible. Remembering that that's a carbide cutter on the end, not the negative rate carbide cutter. So that was brilliant for getting rid of a lot of material quickly. Now I'm going to use the number 2 mini hollowing tool, which will get into not directly around the corner, not 90 degrees, but just the sides of the little container on the inside. So now I've finished hollowing out the little box. I'm going to replace the carbide cutter with the negative rate carbide cutter, and that will give me a terrific finish for my last pass. So I finished the little lidded container with finial, and I used the set of mini hollowing tools, numbers 1, 2 and 3. Again, number 1 went in straight and got rid of a lot of material quickly. I changed the tip that it came with, the negative rate tip, over to the usual CI5 carbide tip so that I could remove a lot of material quickly. Then I left the negative rate cutters on the other 2 hollowing tools because the majority of the work was already done. So this one went in and just took off the corner where the straight tool couldn't get to, and again with the right angle hollowing tool that virtually went around the corner. Now with the mini hollowing set, you can do small jobs with it. So the little job that I did today, the little fellow, he's about 2.5 inches in diameter, but you can go up to about 4 inches in diameter. This fella's about 3.5 inches. So you're not getting much bigger than that when you're working with a mini hollowing set. Use the other hollowers by all means, but keep the mini ones for small jobs, the fun jobs. I'm Tracey Maladay for Easy Wood Tools. Thanks for watching.